Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my quick guide to how to mod on Twitch. Drink and Run here, and I've modded on Twitch for over 5 years now. I'm making this series to make your life as a new mod or small streamer easier. In this video, I'm going to cover how to delete a single comment. If this video helps you out and you'd like to see more, please press all the good buttons down below. Also feel free to leave a comment letting me know which topic you'd like to see covered in a later video. Please note, I'll be showing this from my browser. I don't really use the mobile app, so apologies if that's what you're looking for. If that's something you'd like to see later, let me know in the comments. Sometimes there will be comments in chat that aren't bad enough to warrant banning someone or even timing them out, but you still want to get rid of the comment. You could just time the person out for a second or ban and unban them real quick, but that would wipe out everything they've said in chat up to that point. So how do you delete a single message while leaving the rest of what they said in chat? One way is to use mod icons. If you don't have mod icons visible, you can turn those on by clicking the gear icon under the chat window and then selecting Show Mod Icons. Once those are visible, find the message you want to delete, and then click the trash can icon on the right, and that'll delete just that one message. As I've mentioned in my previous videos, make sure you're careful with this option and pause chat, otherwise a new message could go into chat that moves the message you're trying to delete, and you could accidentally delete the wrong one by mistake. If you have Better Twitch TV, which is a browser extension, you can also right-click on the username next to the message you want to delete, and then just select Delete down at the bottom. If you're a streamer who does their own moderating and you prefer to keep an eye on chat from OBS, you can still delete messages there too. The chat tool in OBS doesn't always carry over your settings from Twitch, so make sure you have the mod icons turned on and your pause options set the way you want here too. And then from here, the two methods that I just showed you work exactly the same in OBS. And unlike banning or timing someone out, where there's a bunch of different ways to do it buried in mod view or in the user info panel, when it comes to deleting an individual message, there's just the two ways, and they work exactly the same in the regular stream view, in OBS, in mod view, and in the stream manager. I hope this tutorial helped you out. There's a lot that goes into modding on Twitch. If you have something you'd like to see covered in a future quick guide to Twitch modding, let me know in the comments. Also, I don't just mod on Twitch, I'm a streamer too. There's a link to my channel in the description. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8:30 p.m. Pacific time. We have a fun community, and I would love for you to join us. I like interacting with my chat a lot, so you're welcome to ask me questions about modding there too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.